I know all I've been seeming to do about this car is praise it and talk about everything else about it, and it seems as though I don't hate anything about it. Well, there's definitely one thing that I dislike about it, and that is the steering wheel that it comes with. It is very ugly, it's very wide, and it's just annoying. And the fact that you can't adjust the steering wheel level, the height, the in and out, you can't, it's not telescopic, nothing. You can't adjust any of that stuff on the E30s, so it kind of makes it worse. So I went and got this new steering wheel on eBay. It's a cheap steering wheel, nothing crazy. It was like 110 bucks. It looks really nice. It's definitely my taste. I like the red stripe because it matches the car. I'm gonna be installing this for you guys today. I know it's not gonna be a tutorial. It's mostly just a vlog of me installing this into the car. A lot of you won't benefit off of any of this. That's why I thought might as well just show you guys the install instead of doing a super in-depth thing. But it's just like the M Sport steering wheel install. You just take out the old airbag. Now we won't have an airbag, which is kind of, you know, it's not that safe. It's no big deal. I don't even drive this car that much, and I'm not too worried about it anyway. But I can't wait to see how this new steering wheel is gonna feel while driving and how it's gonna look with the interior. I feel as though it's gonna make a huge change, considering that old steering wheel in the car right now is really bulky and just covers up a lot of what you really want to be seeing. And this is just like so open, and it's gonna be really sick, especially because the car is thick. It's gonna be really fun. It's gonna feel like a little race car. So let me stop talking and let's start this install. And just by chance, if you are an E30 owner and you're watching, I'll quickly say the tools you'll need for this job. A T25 screw so you can get the airbag out of the steering wheel, and then a 22mm socket so you can take out the actual steering wheel from the base thingy. And then that's really about it for in terms of tools that you'll need to take the steering wheel out. I'm gonna turn my wheel like this to access those screws because my screwdriver is very long. Just give me a sec. Once you're done with that side, just go ahead and do the other side. I can't wait to see this new wheel. Now I think I can take it off. Oh, the other side's still holding. Once you've taken off both screws, just go ahead and pull the airbag off. Wow, this was already disconnected. Make sure you disconnect this. Now go ahead and straighten the wheel as much as you can. Make sure it's completely straight. And then go ahead and take your key out so you can't move the wheel and it locks like this. Then grab your 22mm socket and start loosening this bolt. This is on way too tight. I'm gonna have to use a breaker bar. I'll be right back. All right, hopefully with this longer breaker bar, we'll have a little bit more luck. I really do hope this works. Yeah, this is not coming out. Alrighty, got some luck with the breaker bar. Thank God. That thing was never gonna come out. If you do have a torque wrench, feel free to torque this down. I have no idea what the torque specs are, so don't ask me. I can do the rest with the regular socket wrench. And then at this point, go ahead and put your key in. And then it should come right out, pop out of place, and then do the rest of the socket to get it out all the way. Steering wheel should come right out. And then you got the little wire for the horn, which I honestly have no idea how to take out. Let me figure this out off camera. Okay, so I have figured it out. I just needed to unplug this plug. It was really deep and hard to reach. It was all the way deep inside there, so I couldn't really get it, and it was really hard to reach. But I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if that's something for the airbag or the horn. I believe it's the horn. I'm probably not gonna be able to get the horn to work, so I'll probably just get Mike to do that part. I really want the horn to work because Mike has these aftermarket Bosch horns installed to this car, and it's really loud and it's really funny, and I really love this car's horn. So I definitely want to be able to do that. So that'll just probably be for later, but unless I can figure it out myself. But now it's just a matter of unscrewing these, I believe, T15s, and then yeah, from there it's just a matter of putting this on. So yeah, let's do it. So go ahead and line this up and push this right in. Should go in just straight, just like that. I guess go ahead and hide this for now since I'm not hooking up the horn. Go ahead and grab your 22mm bolt, screw it on. This is where an extension would be great. Throw this part back on here. Once you've got the holes lined up, go ahead and screw this right in. Alrighty, so I believe we are done. I turned the car on so I can make sure the horn isn't just honking. I did plug it in and it was working for a second, and I don't know what happened, it stopped working. So there's a good chance that I'll end up having the car just the horn being on like non-stop, which I don't want. So now I love the way the wheel came out. I love the way it looks. It looks fantastic. I hope you guys think it looks sick. I did have a lot of trouble installing it. It wasn't the easiest install, so I'm not gonna recommend this wheel in terms of easy installation, but it is still a really nice wheel. We'll see how long it holds up. I will eventually go with something better, like an energy wheel with a, what is that called again? The quick release, so I can just take it off. These cars are kind of known for being stolen here and there, so I do park it on the street, so I do want to invest in that soon. But I love the way the steering wheel looks with my gear shifter. It looks fantastic. The interior looks sick now. I'm super hyped. I can't wait to drive around with this. See, I hope I aligned it right. I hope everything's proper. And yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the description. I mean, in the comments. Tell me what you guys think of the steering wheel. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.